There is a feature in WhatsApp that personally I think WhatsApp users have not utilized enough. This feature is location sharing. You are welcome to Steady Hub YouTube channel. My name is Kenneth. This location sharing feature presents WhatsApp users with lots of benefits. Among the benefits are convenience. You don't need to describe your location for anyone who needs to locate you. The only thing you need to do is to share your location with the person on WhatsApp. Secondly, for security reasons, it is advisable that you share your location with your family and friends whenever you are going or visiting an unfamiliar area. When you share your location with them, it will be easier for them to locate you peradventure anything ugly happens. Additionally, for logistics reasons, it's easier and more convenient that you share your location with your delivery guy instead of describing and redescribing where you are. You can as well use this feature in emergency situations. If you enter in trouble, it's advisable that you share your location immediately and attach an SOS message to it and share with security agencies so that they can come for your rescue. This feature also helps you to navigate the streets of an unfamiliar town. There are more benefits this feature presents to users, but let me show you how to share your location on WhatsApp. To share your location on WhatsApp, first go to your phone setting and switch on your location. Then go back to WhatsApp and tap on the icon. The WhatsApp opens. Let's say I want to share my location with this friend. Then I open our chats. I go to this file icon and tap on the file icon. It opens. I select location. Now I have two options: to share live location or send my current location. If I send my current location to someone, that means I am just sharing my address with that person. It could be my office address or home address, church, or anywhere at all. I can just share the address with that person. That's my current location. Nothing changes. But when I decide to share my live location, that means wherever I would be within the period I will be sharing that live location, the person I shared it with will know. Let me share live location. WhatsApp allows me to share my location for a duration of 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. If I tap on the 15 minutes button, that means I will share my location with that friend for the next 15 minutes. If I tap on the 1 hour button, that means I'll share my location with that friend for the next 1 hour. And the same thing goes with the 8 hours button. Let me decide to share my location for the next 8 hours with this friend. Maybe I am embarking on a journey that should take me like 5 hours or 6 hours, and I need to keep this friend updated from time to time. The better thing to do is to tap these 8 hours. If peradventure I sense danger and I don't know what will happen in the next couple of hours, I can decide to attach a note on it. Maybe something like, I need help. Then I will attach it to the location. I can share it for 8 hours and I send to the friend. Here, wherever I go, within the next 8 hours, this friend will know where I am. At every point in time, within the next 8 hours, this friend will know where I am. This is ShareYour YouTube channel. Please do well to subscribe to our channel so that you'll get to see our subsequent contents. Thank you for watching.